So today I thought we would do a super popular, sorry, it's still hard to do this, um, YouTube thing called unboxing. Um, it's a special unboxing because I feel like we could all use a little laugh right about now. So we're gonna unbox my hair. Okay, wait 1 second. Here we go. It's an unclipping because there's a clipping. I'm funny. Hold on. Oh goodness, there's a lot going on there. Just wanted to let you know I miss you so much. I miss my students and I think you're all wonderful and I okay. So and did I say I missed you? I missed you and at some point we will be together again. I don't know when, but at some point and when we are, I'm going to be devastated if my juniors, now seniors, I'm a professional, do not come and visit. I will be devastated if you don't come by and say, oh, Miss Rocky, I've missed you so much because I've missed you. And thanks to those of you who've been so cute and emailed, and it just warms my teacher heart, and I think you're amazing, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Make sure to like and subscribe. Oh goodness, I'm funny. Okay, LOL, SMH. Yeah, I think you're great. I miss you. Bye.